$1200 PC build. If you search this on YouTube, you will see many videos. But how is this video different from the others? Well, in this video I will show you the best components that will give you the best performance out of your money. Let's get started. Now for the processor, we have chosen the Intel Core i5-12400F. This one cost around $160. Now with that price, it's an excellent value for money gaming processor. Not only gaming, you will also able to do medium level video editing as well, as this processor has 6 cores and 12 threads, but also its 4.4 GHz boost clock speed will give you excellent performance in gaming. Then for the motherboard, we have chosen the Gigabyte B660M Aorus Master. This one cost around $179, and with that price you will get 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen 4 SSD support, where you will be able to use high speed NVMe PCIe Gen 4 SSD, and you will also get excellent heatsink over that, so your storage won't get overheated. Then you will get excellent heatsink over the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling. So overall for under $200, it's an excellent board. Then comes the main part of a gaming PC build, the graphics card, and in this case we are using the Gigabyte Vision OC GeForce RTX 3070 8GB. This one cost around $605. Now it's an excellent value for money graphics card for now. With this graphics card, you can play any modern games at 1080p resolution at ultra settings. Not only that, you can even play games at 1440p resolution with medium to high settings very easily and smoothly. So it's an excellent graphics card for this price. Then for the RAM, we are using the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 16GB RAM. Now each of them are 8GB, so in total we will get 16GB. And as you can see, those white sync looks excellent on this RAM. Not only it looks cool, but also it will prevent those RAMs from getting overheated, and you will also get fancy RGB effect on the top, and also you will get lifetime warranty with those RAM. So for only under $70, it's an excellent deal. Then for the SSD, you are using the fastest NVMe SSD on earth, the Samsung 980 Pro 1TB. This one cost around $99, and as you can tell by the reviews, this SSD is loved by thousands of people. It's because this SSD comes with insane read data speed, as you can see in this picture, and for a gaming build, a high speed NVMe SSD is must. Then for the power supply, we are using the Corsair CXM 750W power supply. This one cost around $89. Now with this price, you are going to get a power supply which is semi-modular, and those of you who don't know what semi-modular means you can unplug all the unnecessary cables, so your cable management will be excellent, and also you will get 80+ bronze certification, so all of our components will be power delivered very safely. And last but not least, this power supply comes with 5-year plus warranty, so for only under $100, it's an excellent deal. Finally, for the casing, we are using the Deepcool Matrix 55 V3 ARGB. This one cost around $64, and with that price, you are going to get 3 pre-installed ARGB fans, which color you can change and control to the motherboard software, and all those components will cost you around $1263. Thanks for watching.